For months, we have been watching Camp Nou grow piece by piece. New steel, new concrete, and new structures have been appearing across the site almost every week. But now, some of the most important pieces of the project are starting to come together. From major progress on the compression ring to rapid developments across the diamond structures and facade, the stadium is beginning to look less like a construction site and more like the future home of FC Barcelona. All right, let's break it down and see what's happening on site. Significant progress can now be seen beneath the south end structure, where the installation of ceiling panels has reached an advanced stage. Most of the visible sections are already covered, creating a much more finished appearance compared to previous weeks. Workers are now focusing on inspections, adjustments, and alignment work to ensure every panel is properly positioned. As more sections are completed, this area is beginning to reveal how the final spectator zones will eventually look once construction is fully finished. Work on the third tier continues to move forward across multiple sections of the stadium. Installation of the prefabricated concrete steps is advancing steadily, with more seating rows now completed and several previously open gaps being filled with narrower stair elements. Activity remains visible throughout the upper tier, where crews are also carrying out finishing work around the step structures and access areas. In addition, preparations for future installations continue around the upper sections, including work near the temporary lighting scaffold structures and other support systems. The compression ring has taken another important step forward with the installation of a new radial beam. This addition extends the structure further around the stadium and brings the project closer to completing one of its most critical engineering components. Several box segments are already in place, while additional sections are prepared for future installation. The latest progress confirms that construction has moved well beyond the halfway stage in this area, and the circular form of the future roof structure is becoming increasingly visible from multiple viewpoints around the site. Construction teams have introduced a vacuum lifting system to assist with sandwich panel installation. This new equipment allows workers to lift and position large panels more accurately and efficiently than before. Previously, several workers were required to manually maneuver each panel into place, but the new method significantly reduces the effort involved while improving precision. Installation work has also expanded into the second level, indicating that facade-related construction is continuing to advance at a steady pace. Across several sections of the south end, crews are carrying out alignment and adjustment work on structural supports. Workers have been tightening connection points and checking the positioning of various components to ensure everything remains perfectly aligned before additional facade elements are installed. Although these tasks may appear minor compared to large steel installations, they are essential for maintaining structural accuracy and preparing the area for future construction phases. A major delivery has arrived at the stadium with 2 more escalators now positioned on the lateral side of the construction site. These units join the first escalators delivered earlier and represent another important milestone in the development of the stadium's internal mobility systems. As more spectator access infrastructure arrives on site, it becomes increasingly clear that construction is progressing beyond the structural phase and moving toward the installation of permanent operational features. The most advanced diamond structure continues to progress rapidly. Formwork panels have now been installed across several wall sections, while a concrete pump has been positioned nearby in preparation for upcoming concrete pours. Reinforcement bars for future columns are already visible throughout the structure, highlighting how quickly this section is moving through its construction stages. Every week brings noticeable changes as the diamond continues to grow both vertically and structurally. Work around the mobility core remains highly active, with crews operating at multiple levels throughout the structure. Construction activities include structural installations, reinforcement work, and preparations for future phases. The area continues to evolve as workers gradually complete each stage of the project. With multiple teams active simultaneously, the mobility core remains one of the busiest construction zones currently visible around the stadium. Another important milestone has been reached in the north end with the installation of a new radial beam for the compression ring. Workers were observed securing and finalizing connections shortly after the beam was lifted into position. Since the previous update, Additional box segments have also been added, allowing the compression ring to continue expanding steadily around the stadium. This ongoing progress highlights the importance of the roof support structure within the overall construction schedule. Extensive reinforcement activity is now visible across the upper sections of the advanced diamond structure. Areas that previously contained only formwork have now been filled with steel reinforcement, demonstrating how quickly construction is progressing. These preparations are crucial before concrete can be poured, and they indicate that another major construction milestone is approaching. The amount of reinforcement already installed reflects the scale and complexity of the structure being built. One of the most noticeable visual changes at Camp Nou is the continued installation of facade slats in the north end. New slats have been added across multiple sections, extending both vertically and horizontally across the structure. Workers operating from elevated platforms continue to position additional elements while support systems are prepared nearby. As more slats are installed, the stadium's exterior is beginning to resemble its final architectural design. Alongside the facade installation work, crews have started aligning and preparing anchor systems that will support future slat installations. Guide systems are being added between anchor points to ensure precise positioning throughout the structure. These preparations may not be highly visible from a distance, but they are essential for maintaining consistency across the entire facade once installation accelerates further in the coming weeks. The corner area has reached an important stage of preparation, with nearly all visible anchor points now installed across several levels. This work creates the necessary foundation for future facade installations and signals that visible progress in this section could increase significantly in the near future. The completion of anchor systems is often one of the final steps before larger exterior elements begin appearing. Preparations are now underway in the Tribune section for the next phase of compression ring construction. Support structures, temporary systems, and installation materials have been positioned throughout the area, ensuring that future assembly work can continue without interruption. Several crews are currently applying protective coatings and finishing treatments to steel components around the Tribune side. These treatments help protect the structure from long-term environmental exposure while also preparing the steel for future installations. Although less dramatic than large-scale structural work, these finishing processes represent another important step toward the final completion of the stadium. The diamond structures located along the lateral side of Camp Nou are advancing at an impressive rate. New scaffolding systems have been erected while support beams and formwork preparations continue across the upper levels. Workers are also progressing with reinforcement installation, ensuring that upcoming floor slabs can be constructed without delay. Compared with previous updates, these structures now appear significantly larger and more developed, reflecting the rapid pace of construction during recent weeks. The leading diamond structure has entered another major stage of development. Large sections of reinforcement steel have now been installed across the upper slab areas, creating the foundation for future concrete work. Numerous workers remain active throughout the structure, focusing on both upper and lower levels. As more reinforcement is added, the final shape of the diamond becomes increasingly clear, making it one of the most visually impressive construction elements currently taking shape around the stadium. Construction teams have successfully lifted and installed another structural beam near the corner section of the stadium. The operation was completed using cranes and elevated work platforms, with crews carefully guiding the component into position. Each new beam strengthens the growing framework and brings the structure one step closer to its final configuration. Across the entire site, construction activity remains intense and highly coordinated. With more permanent architectural features now becoming visible every week, Camp Nou is steadily transforming from a construction site into a stadium that increasingly reflects its final design. This latest round of updates once again demonstrates the remarkable pace at which the project continues to move forward.